안녕하세요. This is K-Drama Oka and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Korean related content. Stay tuned, guys. Just in, our baby Kim Go Eun is nominated for Best Actress for Hero in 21st Director Cut Awards 2023. Ceremony will be held on February 24 at 6 p.m. KST at the Chungmo Arts Center Convention Hall. A very well-deserved nomination for our girl. Congratulations, Uri Seohee Kim Go Eun. To know that Kim Go Eun nominated as the Best Actress with her favorite actress Chang-woo is already a win. But of course, I hope Kim Go Eun will bring this first Best Actress Award for Seohee. It is literally a good news today. My baby, for me you are already a winner. This is just the beginning of harvest time for the hard-earned labor she put into being Seohee. Being nominated is already an achievement for 20 minutes screen time. Congratulations, our dear Kim Go Eun. You've given us so much pride. Another news, Kim Go Eun donated 30 million won to the earthquake victims, emergency relief in Turkey and Syria, and with this opportunity, she joined the Good Neighbor. Good Neighbors, a global non-governmental organization specializing in children's rights, announced on the 9th that actress Kim Go Eun donated 30 million won to the emergency relief for victims of the earthquake in Turkey and Syria. That's our baby girl. She has a very good heart.